Hello, this is ELB. Let's get back to work. So, what did we do last time? I think it was just inventory and data manipulation. Also, hold on a moment. My controllers are not correct. There we go. Okay. Press play again. I was able to look here. I don't think it shows anything. Yeah. Anyhow. So, I guess the next step is, well, at least, well, hold on, actually. I need to make it so that the highlight thing, I don't know what you'd call it, the thing that shows which object you're selecting doesn't appear. It is way too hot. Oh my goodness. If inv size is larger than 0, draw a rectangle. I'm gonna do this real quick to check on something. Forgot to do this. Really? Here, hold on. Why does it say 3? What about now? Still 3. Okay. So, let's see, I'm getting var inv size by getting the DS list for inventory tools keys, which is supposed to be 3 because that's how many tools there are currently quote-unquote implemented in the game. Okay, so we can't go off of that. So I was talking with my boyfriend about how to do data manipulation in inventory, and he suggested making it different, as in making it so that every single tool is its own map, which I wasn't too keen on. I'm just gonna steal this. Var inf size, var map size. Okay. I'm gonna do show debug message. I'm gonna do that again just to test. Why do I keep doing that? Okay, it says 1. It says 0. Good. Okay. So, I just realized something I probably need to implement. You know what? I think I'm gonna try to do it the way that he suggested. Is there a way to check if a map exists already? Yeah. Returns if the given key exists or not in the DS map specified. Okay. So I'm gonna try doing something like this. No. How would I do it like that? Hold on. That's all it was supposed to be. Sorry for my silence. I'm just trying to think through this. How exactly do I want to do this? Did I make a mistake? Honestly, I might have. Hold on, I'm gonna pause recording for just a moment. Okay, I am back at it. I realized the screen is a little bit different from how I left it. So what I did was I quickly loaded back so I could actually do this how I wanted to, or think my way through to a better way of doing it. Now, this might be a little bit interesting, so let's see how this goes. I'm gonna create another map, global.inventory tools, description equals ds map create. Okay. So ds map add global.inventory tools description. Then we're going to use potion. And it's going to say yeah, because that makes sense. So knife, coin, and then there. I'll test I'll test descriptions, but still. You know, it's gonna say something more substantial. So let's see, player. So I gotta figure out a way to determine which one is selected, and thus what description to show. So so we need to determine which text we need based off of the cursor location. So I think what we could do is something similar to this, where we are first using the cursor location and then adding onto it if it's 0, basically. No, this is going to be menu cursor 0. Does this really make sense? Yeah, I think the way I'm trying to do this doesn't really make sense. Hold on, let's find a good way to visualize this. So let's say we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. I guess that's good enough. We have 12 things, right? We have 3 of this, 2 of this, 0 of this, 5 of this, 0 of this, 2, 3, 6, 0, 1, 3, 1, 0. Okay. So we already know that the cursor isn't going to be on something with 0. So So we're just trying to figure out where we are, right? So if it's right there, then although the cursor position would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the list position that we're looking for is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I get just what we're trying to do is I don't even know how to describe this. I'm feeling like an idiot. So what we're doing is we're trying to count up to 4, right? But we're not counting every time it says 0. So I'm not sure if this is going to be a for loop. I don't know, for var n equals 0. Well, var n is less than menu cursor 0. Var m plus plus. So So what we're doing first is we're figuring out the name of the tool, and we're checking it based on var m. Now var m is going to be equal to 0. So var n is only going to go up if the var tool number is above 0. So we'll do this. If var tool number is above 0, var m plus plus. Okay. Here I'm going to change this where the cursor is located. Okay. So okay. Um, is this even gonna work when menu cursor is 0? Is it 0? I don't even know. Possibly not. Well, let's try this for now, I guess. I am terrible at spelling cursor, apparently. So then... we're gonna do ext because we need some more info. Var description x, var description y. The string is going to be ds map find value. Hold on, I don't think this is right, but okay. So sep and w, those, yeah, the distance in pixels between lines of text, the maximum width in pixels of the string before a line break. I'm not totally sure about that, to be honest, so... shoot, that's right. For now, I will put it as 12 and 100, because I'm not sure. Let's see if this works. it all froze. Good to know. Nope. It still works right now. What about right now? Oh, works with potion. Or with one, I should say. But then having 3 breaks it. But just 2 items. Completely broken. Okay, good to know. What the heck? Oh. That might explain it. Okay, well, it's no longer broken. Not that it's showing the text. Hmm. It was inventory tools description. So DS list find value global.inventory tools keys. Their cursor location. Let's see how this works. Or how it is currently working, I should say. That's not right. What's it gonna show now? Absolutely nothing. That is odd. So if I just pick up the knife, what'll it show? Nothing? Nothing. And if I just pick up the potion, it'll show potion. If I just pick up the coin, nothing. Coin and knife, it'll just show knife and then have a blank spot. What if I do potion and knife? What about potion and coin? Okay. Definitely is broken. Okay, so what did I do wrong here? Var n equals 0, while var n is less than var inventory size, var n plus plus. Okay. should work. I at least assume it does. So, sorry. Darn siren. Anyhow, so what I'm looking at, it looks like it should work. We got var n, which is equal to 0, var m, which is equal to 0, while var n is less than var inventory size. Where is var inventory size? Oh, I see. I did that. Yeah, no, I did that wrong. If we're going off of var inventory size, then we're not actually going off of what makes sense. So instead of going off of var inventory size, we should go off of var list length. DS list size, global dot inventory tools keys. Let's try this now. Okay, it shows the coin. Knife and coin. Hold on a moment. Goes from 0 to 2, that's weird. Oh, I see. That was because of this. I gotta find a way to do that without it freaking out when it's on 0. So the whole goal here is to say, is to only count when we know that we have at least one of this thing. It's not going to bother when the thing's at 0, or when var n is at 0, and the menu cursor is at 0 at the same time. So what do we do then? Just trying to brain my way through this is confusing me enough. if I just do that? What's gonna happen? We'll start with the potion. It says it's at 1. Which isn't right. No, hold on. For the most part, it looks like it's getting it correct at least. If we were having them backwards. So I guess this is going to be an off by 1 error. Okay. Right, come on. Okay. Start with gold. Yeah, that's position 2. Nope. I wanted it to be these 2. So yeah, position 0, then it should say position 2. Yep. Should just be position 1. Yep. Okay, cool. Okay, let's try to get it to draw the description again. I'm gonna do this show debug message var description string. I'm gonna get rid of the debug message. Whoa, that scared the crap out of me. Computer, stop. That was Alexa, which responds to what you can guess. Where was that show debug message? There it is. Okay. Actually, what happens if I do this? It freaks out and freezes. Okay. I'll solve that momentarily, I suppose. Okay, so we know that we're getting the correct thing. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Var mgy and var mgx. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Let's see what it looks like now. Definitely better. Jeez, someone is just holding their horn. Really? That is annoying sounding. Now people are yelling out there. Hold on, I'm gonna stop recording a moment. Okay, it's only a few moments later, and I am back. So, what was I doing? I was trying to get that to look right. There was something else. Oh yeah, it freezes. Here, we'll figure that out in a moment. For now, let's do this. I would like it to go all the way across, but I'll figure that out momentarily. First, let's do this. I'm gonna put it in here. Should stop the freezing. Yep, we stopped the freezing. Cool. Pressing A still doesn't do anything. And the fact that pressing B does a backstep is bothering the crap out of me. So I'm going to try and fix that. So let's see. B button. Fire menu equals 0. Okay. That's not what I wanted. I wonder if we can simulate the B button being released already. Or something along those lines. No, what the oh my god. No. Returns to current threshold setting of the analog buttons. You don't want thresholds. Button count. Returns the total number of support buttons. In order for your games to work properly on mobile... Oh, that's not what I wanted. Shoot. Okay. What if I just did this? It might be kind of a hacky way to do it, but it might work. It does in fact work. I could also just set the B button timer to being 10 already. I mean, once again, kind of a hacky way of doing it, but it does work, doesn't it? can go right into running from it. Okay. I think it's about time I tried to make the A button do something. Although, I should try defining something real quick. Whoop. My drink pulled my coaster along with it. So, come on. So, I'm really not sure where to start here. So player menu being 4 is items. Also, I'm aware that this is kind of a crappy way to do it since I'm just reusing code that I could have done once, but I'm gonna do it like this for now. And nope. There we go. Got our off by 1 error. So we know the location. Okay. So once we press that, do we then go into, like, another player menu, or... I'm just not sure. I'm gonna stop recording for now so that I can try to think this through exactly, because I'm getting, like, I'm confusing myself, basically. Okay, I'm back at it. So I think a DS grid would be the best thing to do this Tetris-style inventory, but I am realizing now that my boyfriend really was correct when he said I should do each individual thing as its own map, as opposed to having a bunch of maps for each individual object's or tools, I guess, things? I don't know. What makes it up? Its values, its variables, there's a word that I'm looking for that I'm not finding. In any case, that means this is all a little bit on the broken side. Which means even more, whoa, this is gonna be fun, I guess. So let's see. I'm going to go into Inventory Manager, and I'm going to block this off, and then I'm going to recreate these. So I'm going to do global.inventory tools, dslist create. DSMap create. Global.inventory. No, well, I don't want to create a global variable for every frickin' thing. That doesn't make sense. So let's see, I'm going to do ds map add var map, no, hold on, var map id, name potion. ds map add var map id, inventory tools, ds map add var map id, inventory, no, sprite spr pick up potion, ds map add var map id, description, it's a health potion. It won't get you drunk. Okay, and then finally, ds map add var map id, I don't know, count, maybe? Yeah. Soon I'm probably gonna do something like Tetris shape, or I don't know, something along those lines. And yeah. So let's then do knife. Oh, wait a moment. I got to do this sort of thing. Can you remove something from a list? Let's see. ds list add global dot inventory tools, var map id. Okay. So now for knife, spr pickup knife, use it to butter your red or open taped packages. Give me just a moment, receive the text. Okay. Then for coin, gold is a pretty lame term for money. Okay. Okay. Gonna block everything out. Have this new one. Give me a moment. Okay. Gonna be replacing a lot of stuff here. Tool text. Hold on. So, I'm gonna do this. Let's see how this looks at the moment. Because oh, hold on. To make sure we don't get any weird errors. Okay. Oh. I forgot to do that. I'm not sure. Hold on, I gotta pause recording for a bit. I am back. It has been nearly 24 hours actually. And I don't have a lot of time before I gotta get to work. So I'm going to be finishing up this video shortly. So what I left off doing was the new method of placing something in the map, as in changing its number. So if we look at the inventory manager, we know that we have the name and that it was put into the list. So we're trying to find the value. Potion. Okay, so once we get that, I'm pretty sure it's find value. Check the given. Oh, position. Wait a moment. Are we able to find based off of... Note that if there are more than one entries in the list, the same value, the position of any one of them may be returned. Okay, so... But we do indeed want dslist find index, not find value. And that should be all we need to do. Okay, so once we got var number, or I'll call it var map ID. Then not what we want. Yeah, we're looking for the ID and then the key. Let's see. That should be it. And then then ds map. What is it? Change. Replace. Replaces the value of a map key in the map with a new value. Yeah. So the ID is going to be global dot, no, it's going to be var original, no, var map ID, come on. And then the value will be var original number. I'll just call it var number. And there we go. So hopefully this will work. Okay. So let's see, obj pickup potion. Line 5. Oh. It was count, not potion again. Okay. Controller fell off my lap. Okay, will it work now? Nope, still not. Okay. Data structure with index does not exist. Really? Come on. We do have the obj inventory manager there. Oh, wait a moment. I'm stupid. I'm really dumb. I'm doing this completely wrong. And here I am running out of time. So I can't find this. So what I did wrong here was I was searching for something with potion, but the problem is that that was the ID of the map. It wouldn't be called potion. That makes 0 sense. And here I am having to go now. So I will come back to this later. I don't know if I'm going to keep on recording today or working on this today. I got to be at work from 5 to 10, and then once I get home, I'm probably going to catch up on Game of Thrones. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.